It's time for another unboxing video. We have 2 boxes today, so lots of stuff has come in this week. And let's take a look. Start off, we have some DVDs, Someone Somewhere, Promise at Dawn, Red Shoes and the Seven Dwarves, that looks cute. We have Molly's Awesome Alaskan Adventures, Garfield and Friends Season 3, Girlfriends. We have a CD, Letters to You, Burnin' Train. That looks neat. Sorry, got distracted. Ordinary Love, DVD. Mickey and the Beanstalk, a good classic. Let's move on to some books. We have Homebody, York, book 3 of The Map of Stars, The Betrothed by Kiera Cass. Oh, is that part of her series or a new one? Aristotle, The Summer Deal. If you are not enjoying the snow, you can read this book and take yourself away. Battleborn, The Land of Roar. Look at that cover. Charlie Jane Anders, The City in the Middle of the Night. We have Emily St. John Mandel, Station 11. Patrick Ness's latest, Burn. Sitting Pretty, The View from Ordinary Resilient Disabled Body. Unspeakable Acts. True Tales of Crime, Murder, Deceit, and Obsession. Boulevard, I believe this is a graphic novel. Yep. The Batch Lady, another cookbook for those who are enjoying their cooling rack. Rainbow Revolutionaries, 50 LGBTQ plus people who made history. Small in the City, a very big award-winning picture book. We have Libby and Love Science, the latest in this picture book series. The Hidden Rainbow, The Bees Need You to Help the Garden Grow. Swing by Michael Hall. And we have the Complete Diabetes Guide for Type 2 diabetes. So that was box number 1. Let's move on to box number 2 and see what's in here. And let's see some kids books on the top. We have Wonder Woman 84, Easy Reader, Tad, which looks adorable, picture book, Potato, also adorable. The picture books are really good in this batch. Still Crying for Help, nonfiction, Sand Talk, How Indigenous Thinking Can Save the World, Night, Sleep, Death, The Stars, Joyce Carol Oates. Oh, and very popular, big one, Barack Obama's latest. So if you want that one, call us and we'll put your name on the list. Large print of Her Last Flight. Do Not Disturb, Claire Douglas. We've got a Pinkalicious Easy Reader. Another Pete the Cat, Pete the Kitty Easy Reader. And a Fancy Nancy, all the big names in Easy Readers this week. Oh, and Berenstain Bears Easy Reader. Chris Grabenstein's latest, Super Puzzle-tastic Mysteries. Daughter of Black Lake, Kathy Marie Buchanan. Lee Child and Andrew Child, The Sentinel. Another Jack Reacher novel. Heather Graham, Dreaming Death. Oh, so many books this week. Lucy Foley, The Guest List. You'd Kill to Be on It. Ooh, spooky. Fast Girls Large Print Edition. Bernard Cornwell's latest, Warlord. Sophie Kinsella's latest, Love Your Life. All these big names this week. 500 Miles from You, Jenny Colgan. The latest Keeper of Lost Cities in that series. This is a fun graphic novel we were getting in, volume 2. I believe volume 3 is out soon. Forest Green. The Writer's Library, authors you love on the books that changed their life. Ooh, that sounds very interesting. Robert J. Sawyer, The Oppenheimer Alternative. Good Morning Monster. A therapist shares 5 heroic stories of emotional recovery. Large print of Susan Wigg's book. Don't Turn Around by Jessica Barry. The World's Dumbest Criminals. That sounds like a good read. Bearing the Unbearable. Love, Loss, and Heartbreaking Path of Grief. Miss Benson's Beetle. Susan Elizabeth Phillips, large print edition. And the last one is Cobble Hill by Cecily von Ziegesar. Apologies if that's wrong. And as always, let us know if you'd like any of these books put on reserve. Thanks.